Alrighty, so right now I got a little setup going on right here. See what I'm talking about? So your pins right here, they're supposed to slide like this. Well, this guy right here, he was seized in there and wouldn't move at all. I ended up ripping your boot. See how it's all ripped? Because it gets corroded in there from the rust and heat and stuff like that. So that guy ripped. Toss him in the trash. So I was able to locate a new boot for you. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of shit on here. We're gonna take that to the wire wheel. This one was seized on the driver's side, and the passenger side was also seized. That guy was also seized. These slides, I'm gonna clean them up, put some new grease. As you can see, the grease is just nasty color, so I'm gonna wipe all that off, clean it up real nice, make sure they slide good. I'm also running the motor back again. Got that all hooked up too, baby. So this is the other pin that was froze. As you can see, it's just full of gunk. We're gonna take that over the wire wheel and zip that up for you. All right. Well, got my safety glasses on and shit out. So we're just gonna take it. Take them like brand new. It's like brand new. So to give a little help, so she don't seize up, I'm gonna run that wire brush in there like that. Switch directions. Get that real nice and cleaned up. Look at all that shit. And now, like I said, I'll take the brake grease like that. Take the slide pin, coat her on there real nice like. Get that real nice. Set that one to the side. Grab your other slide pin from the top. Wipe it off. It's got all that old nasty grease on there, mixed with some dirt. We're gonna coat that sucker real nice like this too. Now, turn my headlamp on. See that? Out of that paper. And put her in there. Make sure she moves. Very nice, like. Grab the other one and put her in there. And she slides around very nice now too. Your pads are not stuck. So that's good. There's your CV boot. As you see, it's just ripped to hell. We'll be doing that next.